How to change lock screen photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, you can choose to add a new wallpaper, customize existing ones, or select from preset options. You can also access the wallpaper gallery by touching and holding the lock screen. Now, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. Scroll down to view and explore all the wallpaper suggestions below. Tap on any wallpaper from here to get a preview. If you want to set this as your wallpaper, then go to the top right corner and tap on Add. Here, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair below. You have now successfully set this as your new wallpaper. Following these steps, you can easily change lock screen photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.